You might use a standard wrench to tighten or loosen nuts and bolts, but a ratchet with its accompanying socket set makes the process a lot easier, especially if you work on automobiles, lawnmowers, or other machinery frequently. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best socket set in 2023. So let's get started. Number 1. Sunx 3340 to 38-inch Drive Master Impact Socket Set. This excellent collection of 42 sockets, each crafted from chromium molybdenum alloy steel, marries a wide range of metric, deep metric, SA, and deep SA sockets with affordability and top quality performance that you can trust. It is built for use on an impact wrench, a power tool that delivers far more torque than you could achieve with just muscle power alone. You can also use these with your regular ratchet, making this set even more versatile. This set is perfect for the DIY auto mechanic who is looking for an upgrade, or the professional automotive technician who is seeking out an addition to their beloved but likely well-worn tools. Number 2. Workpro 39-piece socket set. Socket sets can be expensive, especially sets that include ratchets and adapters. However, if you only need a basic set of sockets to keep in your car for emergency repairs, want a set for occasional household use, or need sockets for simple maintenance on your car, motorcycle, or RV, then there's no reason to break your budget. The Workpro 39-piece socket set is not extensive but provides good quality tools at a very reasonable price. The entire set fits nicely in a plastic storage box, and each socket space is clearly marked with its size. All in all, this is a great set for the price. Number 3. Stanley Drive Socket Set. For the amateur mechanic or car enthusiast who wants it all without spending a bundle, there is only one set out there that combines the variety and quality of a higher-end collection with the affordability of a mid-range set, the Stanley STMT 7165 to 123-piece socket set. This crowd pleaser comes loaded with 123 of the most useful tools, including over 70 sockets, more than 20 screwdriver bits, 2 ratchets, and a spinner handle. This set is a great investment for beginners who are looking for an entry-level socket set or semi-pros who are seeking a backup toolbox of bits. It pulls no punches in providing buyers with all the right tools for their next minor automotive or household repair project, and it will come in handy for a multitude of tasks both in the garage and around the house. Number 4. Mulwork 37-piece Premium Hex Bit Allen Socket Set. If you ride a motorcycle and like to take care of basic maintenance yourself, chances are you don't need a high-end socket set. You just need a good set that's comprehensive enough to meet most of your needs. This nicely complete set of sockets from Mulwork does the trick, with all the basic sockets you are likely to want for repairs on your car, motorcycle, bicycle, ATV, or machinery. This set includes 17 each of SA and metric hex sockets in all of the common sizes. Note that it does not include a ratchet, however, nor does it have a variety of extenders, adapters, or other accessories that are often found in higher-priced socket sets. Number 5. DeWalt Mechanics Tools Kit and Socket Set. If you want not only a very comprehensive set of 6-point sockets in both metric and SA sizes, but also a wide selection of hex keys, combination wrenches, nut drivers, adapters, and ratchets, then the DeWalt 168-piece mechanic tool and socket set is just what you have been looking for. All pieces are heavy-duty, professional quality tools with a polished chrome vanadium finish. All of the sockets and box end wrenches incorporate DeWalt's direct torque technology, which provides superior torque without damage to fasteners. That was our list of the top 5 best socket set in 2023 just for you.